Steve Days back here with another vlog. Happy Labor Day weekend. It is a sad weekend because it is the end of summer. It's a sad weekend. I'm at the St. Mary's Modern Day field, and speaking of Modern Day, I'm on the backside of the high school prep of the backside of the demolition. As you can see, here's the backside that's all gone. Classroom's demolished, bathroom's gone, everything's gone. So this is the backside that's demolished and teared down. Wow. Scoreboard is still up. That's going to be removed. This one too is going to probably be removed also. So this is the backside of the tear down the Modern Day. I'll get another shot of it once I go on the other side. Here's the field, the softball field, where the softball field was. And there's the pieces that have all been teared down. Like I said, the scoreboard, the Sarah scoreboard is going to be removed. Here's a close-up shot of it. Danger construction area, do not enter. 2 excavators in progress, dumpsters, dozers and everything. Here's the refrigerators that are removed. Everything is all removed out of this high school building. You got more excavators there, you got a dumpster over here. Another view of it. And over here is the other side of it, which I'll get to in a little bit, in a couple minutes. Here's the other side of it. Here's the front side. Well, I'm going to end this right here, so anyways, that'll be it for this. And speaking of school, Middletown School District, public schools go back Tuesday, and Catholic schools and private schools go back Wednesday. So anyways, this is it, and I will be back here once more of the building is all teared down and once the whole building is demolished of the high school of Modern Day. Happy Labor Day weekend, and I'll see you on the next.